Welcome in Japan. We are here in Nara Park at our end point. We flew on to Tokyo, then we went to Kyoto with the train, and then we went with the train 30 minutes to Osaka, which is also near to Nara Park where we are today. Let's have a look here in Tokyo how it is. Looks already very nice as I expected, very special. So let's have a look. So after going to Tokyo, we also went to Gala Yuzawa, an area where you can go skiing. It's only, I think, 1 hour and a half, 2 hours away from Tokyo, and we really enjoyed this place. Unfortunately, 1 week later, there was a lot of snow. When we were there was quite a lot of sun actually, and not too much snow, not too much powder snow, and that's probably the reason why I wanted to have this ski trip here. A little bit more sun than I wanted, but still very fun. So it's another day in beautiful Tokyo. So we came back to Tokyo here and we enjoyed another day of some beautiful visits, which you will see here in this first video of the series, where we visited so many different areas, and I really enjoyed it, going to these different places, and there's just so many districts. It's so nice. So we are here in the train station, and today we are going to Kyoto. Then we went to Kyoto, which is obviously a bit farther away. You can also see the main Fuji mountain from the train. We were also able to do a lot of different activities, have the famous steak here, and also have a view of this amazing show. We finally arrived here in Osaka with the train. So then we went to Osaka, also a very short trip, but we were able to do a lot of fun activities like this ride, which was truly unique, never seen in my life. Really enjoyed Osaka, a lot of shopping to be done here, and a lot of different visits you could do here too. So very interesting city, and also very lively with some good sushi. We are here in Nara Park at our end point. So this will be the end of this section, the introduction, where we went to Nara Park. And this will be the end of our little trip. So we finished our meal. We have around almost 20 plates here. And let's see how much it costs. I think it will be around 30 to 40 euro for all of this. So it will be a pretty good deal, even some beer and a sake. We had a lot of fun in Tokyo. There's so many districts there to explore. And as our friend here says, also Kyoto is beautiful. So those two were our main picks. So here we arrived finally at the beginning of our trip, 1 week trip in Japan. We arrived quite late in the evening, and we were able to take a taxi to our hotel and already see a bit how the city looked like. Because it is quite interesting, it's totally different as anything I've seen before. The city looks like a clean Disneyland resort, because everything is like a little bit smaller than you would expect, the sizes of everything, and everything is so clean, and for some reason it reminds me of a Disney resort. And here we will start with a little room tour of the room we actually got, which is always very small.
Face masks. Face masks. Sleep 8 hours. We bought face masks. And then food like this. Adrian got juice.
So we just arrived here in Tokyo. We have a very cute small place. We paid around more or less 60 to 75 euros per night, which is a pretty good deal, but it is very small. All of these rooms have very small little, let's say, areas to stay, if I can see it here. So it's all small rooms, and let's have a look. Even our luggage here can barely fit. Maybe we should have taken a bit of a bigger place. But as you can see, here's the bed. You have to wear these shoes when you enter. That's how it goes. We made a little area there to eat our 7-Eleven. You get some sleeping gown and some pajamas, which is actually pretty nice. And we do have a nice view here from outside. And then here they give us some cables, which is very nice for the charging. This one's pretty good TV actually. The TV is almost bigger than the room. And then we continue here. The door opens of the bathroom like this. Then you have a small but cute bathroom, and you have here also a bathtub, and then everything you need amenities wise you also have here. You have the brush, toothpaste, and everything is very clean looking, even a hair dryer, which is also not always a given. Yeah, so very nice place. Some towels, of course, but a bit small. So that's it for the room. So we first arrived here in the anime district. It's day one, and let's have a look here in Tokyo how it is. It looks already very nice, as I expected, very special. So let's have a look.
Do we have this one? Look at him.
He's so cute.
Welcome in Shinjuku.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. You take first. How did you find this?
So this was the first day here in Tokyo. I hope you enjoyed it. We did a lot of amazing things. And let's continue with our amazing trip.